Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and we're doing the 5 o'clock update, but I couldn't keep track of time, so I just made the video at 5:30 to update you guys. But currently, there's uh, there's like some big bands of rain around the areas of Louisiana. And as we play it, some of the bands get heavier in this area. And the bands start sweeping down towards the Gulf. But there's no squall line or derecho in the areas. And also, some of the areas is going to get some heavy rain tonight or this evening. Parts of Louisiana already got severe thunderstorm warnings, flash flood warnings. It's pretty severe. Well, let's go check on the National Weather Service to check out the weather to see what's going on in Louisiana. Okay, guys, we're in the National Weather Service, and parts of Louisiana has excessive heat warnings. Let's check the current alerts. And also, just look at this. They have very heavy bands on the radar, and they have a big squall line coming down. Up there is a flash flood watcher warning. But let's go check the local radar. You can see the rain is starting to get in some of these pinks. Look, some of the pinks show up in Lake Charles. And there's going to be strong tropical moisture. And then there's going to be some more moisture. Tomorrow there's going to be a lot of moisture. Okay, let's go to the local radar to see what's going on here. Okay, so currently local radar shows they have some heavy bands coming in to Lake Charles. And it also shows some heavy bands. And also, radar shows there is some heavy bands in Louisiana or Texas coast. And also, some of these areas here are going to get heavy bands. And also here, the color's starting to turn into this deep red, and the color's getting close to that pinkish color. But it says the radar's currently unavailable, but right here, the squall line is currently located here, but it's not showing the squall line on that other radar. And also in my location, it's starting to thunder right now. It just looks sunny outside right now. Okay. So people who are in Lake Charles or other locations, you guys need to get prepared, because there's going to be flash flood warnings, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm watches warnings, probably in effect this evening or until tonight. So you guys please get prepared. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, support my channel. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow or in a couple of days. Bye.